How to take leather from being super skanky to super spanky cheaply and easily. I'm using wallpaper paste. It's the powder stuff that you just mix with water. It's really easy to use, very cheap, and it's got great coverage. A jar like this is going to last for ages. Just work it on into the fuzzy side and make sure that everything's matted together and pressed down. I'm using a triangle cut from a milk carton just to wipe off the excess. And I don't have any special tools for this. I'm using the rounded corner of a tape dispenser just to get things even smoother. This is an ice cream scoop that I'm using to really press down onto those fibers. After a couple of hours it's dry and it doesn't flake, it doesn't smell, it hasn't seeped through to the other side. It's doing a really great job. I'm very pleased with the results. If this was the underside of a guitar strap or something like that, I think it would be just fine. The only thing that could be improved perhaps is to try and make the colour a bit more even. So I'm going to hit it with some water-based wood varnish, which is very cheap. A pot like this costs about $1. It's got great coverage and it's going to make the colour a bit more even. So I hope this idea has inspired you. Please check out my channel for more tutorials and free patterns, and thank you again for watching.